Hey, what's up guys? Welcome you on my channel. In today's video, I want to share an amazing feature that you can find in Google Docs. It's a tool that can make your life a lot easier when it comes to transcribing audio and video. Let me show you how it works. For that purpose, we should click on plus sign and we should open a blank document. We are clicking on it. Once you have Google Docs open, go to Tools menu and select Voice Typing. You will see a small tool that pops up, and this is where the magic happens. It allows you to transcribe your speech in real time, or you can even transcribe audio or video files that you have playing in the background. Now let's check it. For that purpose, we should click on this tool. Okay, now everything that I will say should be transcribed word by word on this document. The accuracy of this tool is quite impressive, as you see. It captures your words exactly as you say them, though you might need to make a few minor adjustments afterward. Once you are done speaking, take some time to proofread the transcription. It's a great way to ensure that everything is polished and accurate. Okay, the best part is that this tool isn't limited to live transcription only. You can also use it to transcribe the pre-recorded audio or video files. It is a versatile feature that saves you a lot of time and effort. Okay, let's take it on video. For that purpose, let's open our video, and after that we will click on this recording tool.
Originally, I was supposed to make a big AI news video last Friday. That did not happen because I got COVID. I still have it, and I'm still feeling a little under the weather. I think I'm well enough, though, to put out some content for you guys, at least a smaller video, so yeah, I'm not doing my big AI.
Okay, as you see, it works perfectly. If you are watching a video that is playing at the faster speed, the tool might struggle a bit with the transcription. However, when you speak or play audio files at a slower pace, it keeps up remarkably well. So whether you are transcribing your own voice or converting audio video files into written text, this built-in tool in Google Docs is a game changer. Give it a try and see how it simplifies your transcription task. That's for today's video, guys. Make sure you stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks.